we got some 94 model VR Commodore Ute. It's a V6 manual. Have a look at the front bar, front spoiler, pretty significantly damaged. Have a look around here, it's cracked on the side, on the bottom, here. I don't think it costs too much to repair. It is repairable, but it is only fiberglass. But yeah, there is quite a significant amount of damage on it. The bonnet's got some minor stone chips. It's good, probably means it's been doing some freeway driving, which is pretty good. Come round, we'll be replacing all the tyres. It'll have 4 brand new tyres when it sells, because all the tyres are shot. Have a look down the side here. As you can see, it's a really good looking car. Have a look in the back. As you can see, this vehicle hasn't done much work at all. It's got some minor scratches in the bay there, but nothing major. It hasn't had bricks in it or anything like that. It's got a big ass tow bar, look at that. Big pipe on the back. Rebar here, it's got a crack. Got a nice set of 17-inch alloys, side skirts on both sides. See here, bit of a swipe here, real minor, everything's real cool. Come and look inside. Have a look, the interior's pretty good. I'll go around the other side. It's got a slight tear here, the stitching's coming off, see it? A stain. The carpet's got some real minor stains, barely noticeable. It's got a nice Kenwood CD player. Look at that flashy thing. Sounds alright too. Manual, as you can see. It's got a handbrake. I suppose every car has. Roof lining sagging a bit. Have a look at that. Look at that. You don't have to worry about that if you're a passenger. Engine. Got plenty of power. It's got this here. Power braces. I reckon it's all bullshit, but it looks good. Looks really good. It's got some braided lines. Someone spent some money at the back as well. Come over here, let me show you the most important thing. It's got next year September rego. Car drives really good. You know what? Pat, pop in the car. Let's take it for a drive. It's got a shitload of power and it's so smooth on the road. Gearbox is nice and smooth. Have a look at the wheel, no vibration, nothing. I hit the brakes, there's no shudder, nice smooth stop, look at that. This vehicle drives exceptionally well. A lot better than a lot of them that I've driven.